As I mentioned before, we do have the many of the phones configured with these quick dial buttons. Those are actually multi-function buttons, so not only do they do quick dial, they actually show whether or not the handsets are in use. So just to highlight that, we're going to dial 1105, which will ring this third phone over here. You see it calls. You can actually see the calling number as well as the ringing number. When we hit answer, both calls go to red, and that is what that button actually functions for. It's called a busy lamp field. Now it also functions as a quick dial field, so we can just push those buttons and we can see that is actually calling this person. Even though they're on an active line, you can hear it is ringing, and we can actually hit answer, and it puts that first, let me turn down that for some feedback, it actually puts this first call on hold. And so now we actually have 3 simultaneous calls, and you can see from the display there that the active call is the one on the top, the green one. The one on the bottom is the one that's on hold. We can easily arrow down and choose resume, and it puts the other one on hold now. So now it goes back to that first call, and then the person that is on hold actually has on hold music at that point. Again, if we turn this down a little bit to avoid feedback, and we go back and we say we want to resume that one, it puts the other call on hold. So now we're live on the first phone, and this call is on hold and has hold music. You can do that up to 8 simultaneous times, as each phone can have 8 active calls. So we're going to just prove that concept. 1105 dial. We're going to hit answer. So now you can see there's 3. Turn down the volume a little bit. 1105 dial. So again, we see that, and we hit answer. And we'll just do it one more time. You can see that person's calling. We hit answer, and now you can see we actually have multiple calls on the same handset, and we can use the dial button, the up and down button, to go between the calls and resume different calls. So if I want to choose this call and hit resume, it puts that other call on hold, and then I can, when I'm done, hit end.